How to get unlimited coins in PollPe. As you can see, everything is work. Now my account have already unlimited amount of coins. How you do it? It's so simple. Follow me, open your favorite browser, go to this website. This website allows you to install PollPe mod application for your mobile devices. Enter our email address, select devices. It's work for Android or iOS device. Press download, and now as you can see, application is already installed. Way to complete of this process. Okay, it's actually installed, so open this application. This is this application, PollPe mod version of the original application. To get unlimited amount of coins, enter amount of coins as you want. In my case, this is this number. Press go. Now as you can see, everything is generated. Way to complete of this process. After complete of this process, our account will be get unlimited amount of coins. This is last step. Everything is complete, so open our account and check our balance. Wait maybe 1 minute and boom, this is proof everything is work. Now my account have already unlimited amount of coins and it's work for Android or iOS devices.